Good morning students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss class 9th English syllabus and paper pattern. The paper consists of 3 parts: reading, writing skills with grammar, and literature textbook and supplementary reading text. Reading part will consist of 20 marks, writing skills with grammar is of 30 marks, and literature textbook and supplementary reading text will be of 30 marks. First of all, we'll see about our reading part. This section consists of 2 reading passages, one for 8 marks and the other is for 12 marks. Both these passages will consist of objective type questions including multiple choice questions. Then comes the writing skills and grammar, which is of 30 marks. Question number 3 is of writing an informal letter on a situation or any descriptive paragraph based on any person, place, event, or a diary entry based on visual or verbal cues. It will be of 10 marks. Question number 4, which is a story writing, it will be of 10 marks. Then comes your grammar part. The grammar syllabus will include the following topics: tenses, modals, use of passive voice, subject, verb, concord, reported speech, clauses, determiners, prepositions, etc. The above items may be tested through test types grammar in context as given below. It will be a closed passage, gap filling, editing, omission, etc., which will be of 4 marks. And the question number 6 is dialogue writing or reporting a dialogue on a given cue. It will be of 6 marks. Your books prescribed by NCERT are Beehive and Movements. Beehive is a literature book and Movement is supplementary read. Question number 3 is of literature textbook and supplementary reader. It will be of 30 marks. Question number 7 will be a extract. It may be from a prose, it may be from poetry or play, and it will be of 4 marks. Then question number 8 will have 5 questions, 2 marks each, based on Beehive and Movements. Question number 9 and 10 are 2 long answer type questions, one from Beehive and the other from Movements. These Beehive and Movements, as I told you, are the 2 books. Beehive, it consists of both prose lessons as well as poetry lessons. The prose lessons are: number 1, the fun they had, the sound of music, the little girl, a truly beautiful mind, the snake and the mirror, my childhood, packing, reach for the top, the bond of love, Kathmandu, and if I were you. Poetry section includes the poems The Road Not Taken, Wind, Rain on the Roof, The Lake Isle of Innisfree, A Legend of Northland, No Men Are Foreign, The Duck and the Kangaroo, On Killing a Tree, The Snake Trying, A Slumber Did My Spirit See. Second is supplementary book, that is Movements. It includes The Lost Child, Adventures of Toto, Ishwaran the Storyteller, In the Kingdom of Fools, The Happy Prince, Weathering the Storm in Irsama, The Last Thief, A House is Not a Home, The Accidental Tourist, The Beggar. Thank you.